Back again today, and today we're going to be looking at putting some ceramic coating on the Hellcat. I got some turtle wax hybrid solution. Looked on YouTube, it looked like it had some pretty good reviews, so it told me not to put it out in sunlight. So what we're going to do is actually set up some lights in here so we can coat it. The paint is brand new. I just washed it yesterday and detailed it, so we should be good. But yeah, we're going to put this on, and what you need is actually 2 towels. You need one for application and then one for drying. So I got a couple microfiber towels here, and then we're just going to spray a couple sprays on the panel, wipe it in real good, and then wipe it off with a clean towel. So here we go. So check it up a little bit. It says 2 sprays per panel, so I may do 4 on the hood. Let's do 5. Okay, we'll take our dry one, kind of wipe it all off. You kind of have to look for the angles of the paint, make sure you got it all. Alright, let's look at this thing. This thing really does pop in the sunshine. Yeah, it's almost like a metallic. But yeah, let's see if we can see any defects or any residue left over from the coating. No, it's looking pretty good. If y'all have any questions, make sure to like this video. Leave your questions below in the comments. Take care and have a good day.